This is the last huge wealth opportunity for years. Now, in a minute, I'm going to explain why I believe a new bull cycle is starting, the likes of which we have not seen in decades. But first, let me explain why the stock market has been crashing recently. Because once you explain why stocks are selling off, you'll explain why right now might be your last opportunity to build huge amounts of wealth for the next few years. Last month, Israel attacked Iran. And more importantly, the United States attacked Iran in retaliation for Iran attacking U.S. military bases and even killing some of our soldiers. And this is important for two reasons. First, the Iran war created a lot of uncertainty in the stock market. And the stock market does not like uncertainty. Whenever there's uncertainty in the world, the stocks tend to sell off. And that's one of the reasons why the stock market has been crashing lately. But there's another reason, this is actually a bigger reason, and that is the fact that oil prices have been skyrocketing. In fact, oil prices are now at the second highest price in the history of oil prices. The only other time in history that we have seen oil prices higher was during the 2008 Great Financial Crisis. Other than that, we've never seen oil prices higher than where they are today. And this is causing a lot of fear in the markets. The extremely high oil prices that we're seeing today are causing investors to fear that we may end up getting another rate of high inflation, just like we saw in 2022. And if you remember what happened when we did get the highest inflation in U.S. history in 2022, it caused a bear market that caused stocks to fall over 20%, and it lasted for about 10 months. But if you've been trading for a while, you might also remember that at the end of that bear market in October of 2022, it was the best time to buy stocks. You could have made a huge amount of money if you had bought stocks at the end of 2022, at the height of the bear market. But all of those reasons why the stock market is selling off right now really don't matter. And here's why. First, Donald Trump already said that he expects the war in Iran to be wrapped up in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And once the war is over, oil prices should start to fall rapidly, meaning that if the war does in fact wrap up in the next 2 to 3 weeks, that by the end of April, oil prices will start coming down at a very rapid pace. And once the uncertainties around the Iran war start to go away, and once oil prices start to come down and those inflation worries go away, this should all eliminate the reasons why the stock market fell, and as a result, it should be the start of a new major stock market rally, which means by the end of this month, we should start to see stocks rallying once again. And that means right now is the best time to buy before stocks start to rally. So here's what we're doing in Trading Success U to take advantage of the stock market sell-off. First of all, we're using Warren Buffett's strategy to be greedy when others are fearful. It's one of his most famous quotes: be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Right now, everybody is fearful about the Iran war and the potential for high inflation due to high oil prices. As a result, we are being greedy and buying stocks that other people are selling because we know that once the Iran war is over and once oil prices come down, that everybody's going to turn greedy again and stock prices are going to start rallying. Another thing we're doing is finding those stocks that have sold off too much and are now undervalued. Berkshire Hathaway was holding a record amount of cash leading up to the stock market crash that started last month. And the reason for that is they knew that because everybody was greedy and bullish up till a few months ago, that the stocks were overbought, they were priced too high, and they'd eventually come down. And as a result, they were just holding cash, waiting for that eventual sell-off. Well, we've now had that sell-off. And that is why we are now starting to do the opposite. We're now starting to take all of that cash that we had and we're looking to start deploying it, to start buying stocks and investing in stocks at these now very reduced prices. Again, doing the opposite of what most people in the stock market are doing. In the stock market, you want to be buying when everybody else is selling and selling when everybody else is buying. That's because the name of the game is to buy low and sell high. And the only way to buy low is to buy when everybody else is selling and prices are low. And the only way to sell high is to sell when everybody's buying and prices are high. So right now, with stock market prices being low due to everybody selling and being fearful and bearish, we want to be buying. But how do you know which stocks to buy? Well, what we're doing in Trading Success U is we're looking for those stocks that are the most undervalued. We are doing our fundamental analysis. We're looking at the news. We're looking at what analysts are saying. We're looking at their research. And we're looking at our stock screeners to find the best stocks. And when it comes to finding the best stocks, I use an app called Moomoo. Moomoo has an incredible stock screener that allows me to save my screenings and find the absolute best stocks. Clicking on Micron brings up details about the stock, including one of my favorite indicators, the forward PE ratio. I'm then able to hide those details and add some indicators to the chart, such as my moving average, exponential moving average, and Bollinger Bands, so that I can do some technical analysis on the stock and find out how well the stock might perform in the future. And when a stock has an outsized move, like Micron did on Monday and again on Wednesday, I can go to the News tab on Moomoo and find out what's moving the stock. For example, this article right here tells me what's driving the surge. I can click on it to immediately find out why the stock fell on Monday and find out why the stock turned around and rose again on Wednesday. From there, I like to click on the valuation tab to find out what analysts are pricing the stock at. For example, right now, the low valuation on this is $400 with a high price target of $700. So whether I'm bearish or bullish on Micron, I can see either way, this stock is expected to rise in the future. But one of the things I love about Moomoo the most is they have this ETF tab right here. And this allows me to see which ETFs are trading Micron stock, which in some cases will allow me to make even more money than if I were just to buy the stock by itself. For example, this MUU ETF goes up twice as fast as Micron goes up. So on today, Micron went up 9%, but this ETF went up 21%. And right now, Moomoo has an incredible promotion going on where they are offering new users 8.1% APY on their uninvested cash and up to $1,000 in free NVIDIA stock, depending upon how much you deposit. If you want more information about Moomoo, you can click the first link in the description below. Why am I so confident that a new bull market is about to start? Well, with the exception of the dot-com bubble burst and the 2008 Great Financial Crisis, at every other point in history, bear markets and stock market sell-offs have been typically very short-lived. After all, the COVID crash, where the stock market fell by over 30%, only lasted about 60 days. And the 2022 bear market, where stocks fell by over 20%, only lasted about 10 months. And if you look back in history, right after the 2022 bear market ended in October of 2022, that was actually the best time to buy stocks in the past decade. From October of 2022 to October of 2025, during that 3-year period, NVIDIA rose from $10.80 per share all the way up to $212.17 per share. That's a 1,864% profit over 3 years. If you had purchased just $1,000 worth of NVIDIA stock in October of 2022, your $1,000 would have turned into $18,645 just 3 years later. And if you had purchased $100,000 worth of NVIDIA stock in October of 2022, you would have made over $1.8 million in just 3 years. But in order to do that, you would have had to buy stocks at the most bearish point in recent history. You would have had to buy stocks when everybody was bearish, when everybody was selling, when everybody was afraid the stock market was going to fall by 40 or 50%. You would have had to have been bullish when every single other person in the world was bearish. And that takes a very contrarian point of view. It's very difficult to do. But as you can see, by being bullish when everybody else is bearish and by buying when everybody else is selling, that is how you make the most amount of money in the stock market. That is why it's so important to be a contrarian. People who buy stocks when everybody else is selling end up buying stocks at very low prices. And those same people sell their stocks when everybody else is buying because they're able to sell their stocks at very high prices. That's how you buy low and sell high. And that's what we're doing in Trading Success U right now is we're looking for those stocks that are the most oversold and the most undervalued and have the potential to go up the highest over the next few years. And right now is the time to start investing. Look at this chart of the S&P 500 over the past 25 years. If you had purchased at the top of the market in 2020, right before the dot-com bubble burst, right before the S&P 500 fell by 50%, you would still be up 568% today. So don't worry about trying to time the market, but do realize that by buying these dips when everybody is selling and bearish will exponentially grow your account much faster. Because if you had purchased at the bottom of the market in 2022, when everybody else was selling, you would have grown your wealth by 1,168% over the past 23 years. You would have made twice as much money investing when everybody else was bearish in 2022 than you would have made investing when everybody was bullish in the year 2000. And that is true for every stock market sell-off we've had. So now that the S&P 500 is down 6% and the NASDAQ is down 8%, this provides an incredible opportunity to build a huge amount of wealth. But you have to act now because these opportunities where stocks sell off only come around about once every 3 to 5 years. But in order to find the biggest opportunities to build wealth, you have to be selective. Don't just buy the S&P 500. I mean, yes, you should buy the S&P 500. You can do that through an ETF like SPY. But you should also be looking for individual stocks that have the opportunity to go up much faster than the overall S&P 500 might go up. For example, just taking a look at some of the largest stocks in the stock market by market cap, Microsoft, ticker MSFT, is down 32% from highs, which is significantly larger of a discount than the 6% that the overall S&P 500 is at right now. And Apple is down 11% from all-time highs. Amazon is down 17%. Google is down 16%, Tesla is down 28%, and NVIDIA is down 16%. All of these stocks provide a much larger profit potential back to all-time highs than the overall S&P 500 does. And that's why it's so important to be looking for the individual stocks that have a much higher profit potential than the overall S&P 500 has, but at the same time, continue to invest in the overall S&P 500 also. And in Trading Success U, we're taking this one step further by using some fundamental analysis as well as some technical analysis to try to find those stocks that have the highest earnings potentials. Micron, for example, is down 22% from all-time highs. Now that's more than Nvidia's fallen, but it's less than Microsoft has fallen. So kind of in the middle for tech stocks. But if you look at the forward PE ratio on Micron, it's at an absurdly low 3.99. Considering that the average tech PE ratio is about 30 right now, Micron would have to rise 650% just to get back up to fair value. So in theory, if you were to buy Micron right now at $366, you could potentially grow your wealth by 650% over the next year just with this one stock alone. Imagine buying $100,000 worth of Micron stock right now and having $750,000 in your account next year. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just showing you the power and the potential when it comes to buying stocks that have a forward PE ratio of 3.99 when every other tech stock is trading at a PE ratio of 30. That is the power of buying these stock market sell-offs. And that is why right now could be your last huge wealth growth opportunity for the next few years. Remember, you only get these kinds of opportunities about once every 3 to 5 years. And thanks to the war in Iran and oil prices skyrocketing, this current stock market sell-off has provided us one of those opportunities right now. So take advantage of this gift that the stock market has given you and use this opportunity to start investing in stocks and buying stocks at a discount. Now is the best time to invest. And right now is the last huge wealth opportunity you're going to get for the next 3 to 5 years.